What's up, guys? Quick little project today, fairly simple one. Only takes a few hours really, but had to get a belt, and then of course I'm gonna have to go data log it and get that part knocked out, send it over to Lund just for them to verify everything should be good, and then ship the car on its way and let it go do some work. Well, now it's just a box, but ATI super damper, the underdrive pulley with the 15%. Not many do the 15%. A lot of guys think you tend to overspin the TVS, but I disagree. I've seen multiples with the 15% and a 2.4 upper, and those cars get down. They make some good power, they carry power throughout, and they work, they move. The Silverback that I featured a couple times and showed it running and have even taken it to the track and stuff, that one has a 15% lower as well. There's another local GT500 2S had a 15%. It makes a good bit of difference, probably like 2 pounds or so, maybe pound and a half, 2 pounds, but it's something, and it definitely helps. It gives if nothing else, it gives a good amount of torque to get out of the hole, especially for the racing that these guys do. So here's the little modifications that need to be done. So of course you gotta grind where the crank sensor is. I like to pretty much cut it in half and just get it completely out of the way. You ain't gotta worry about it. As long as the sensor still has something to bolt up to, you're good. The other part is up here. It's kind of difficult to see with the light. Basically, you can see it right here. That's where the timing mark is on the front cover. You gotta grind that out of the way. And then on the 1314s, they have this style of cooler setup. I guess it's like an aluminum setup that the hoses pop in with the clips. Let's see if I can get the belt to kind of get out of the way a little bit. Basically, let me just get it out of the way. Yeah, so you gotta grind. You can see right there. Just grind it down a little bit, just enough so the belt can slip in and out. Okay, so that's pretty much it for that one. The little modifications that need to be done for the 15%, even the 10%, you gotta make some modifications. So I think on the 10%, you gotta do a little bit on the crank trigger and the timing mark. I don't think you really have to mess with the cooler section of it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just gotta finish putting this belt on, make sure everything's good, give it a little once over, and then go do my watt pull, send the log to Lund, make sure everything's good, and that's it. So that's a wrap on this one, and until next time, see y'all guys later.